Here comes a lovely boat. I love this boat. She's called Leo. She's 56 foot 11 inches, semi-traditional stern. She was built in 2006 by Orion Narrowboats and fitted out by Aquarius Narrowboat fitters. The hull has been grip blasted, zinc coated and epoxy 2-packed back in 2020, but that comes with a 10-year guarantee. So that is transferable, guarantee up until 2030. So she's solid actually as a rock. She's got 4 anodes on her as well, which of course aren't strictly necessary if you've been zinc treated. So the paintwork's in reasonable condition really, given her age. There's a lovely semi-trad stern deck there. You can see solar panels on the roof there, 230 watts with a Victron MPPT controller. 4 portholes on her, and then the forward section of the boat there, these bus-style windows. They've got secondary glazing. The crash cover's in reasonable condition. There is a tonneau cover, by the way, for the rear deck. Gas bottles are in that forward locker. There's a 6 kilo and a 3.9 kilo. The well deck's super large, 6 feet 2. Clear panel in the crash cover there, you can see. Really good space out here to get a table and chairs out. And in here, under this padded seat, is probably the biggest locker I've seen in a narrowboat. And they saw 2 bicycles in there, these collapsible bicycles. Incredible. Glazed front doors. And into the saloon we go, which is 12 feet 7 inches long. The fit out's lovely. It's oak face ply with oak trim. Really good size saloon here. There's a dining table and some collapsible chairs that go with this couch here. So there's a dining area. That couch makes up into a spare double bed. The television there is a 18-inch Enox 12-volt DVD combo. Storage under here. And the solid fuel stove is an Arada Arrow. Solid fuel stove. And the galley is next. All the lighting is LED, by the way, and the head height on the boat is 6'3". The galley is 8 feet 3 inches long. The worktops are laminate. There's a drawer here and a decent sized cupboard here. There's plenty of storage in this boat. These shelves pull out. There's a 12-volt shoreline fridge with an ice box next to those. 4-burner gas hob, under which is another good sized cupboard. Bank of 3 drawers under the eye-level oven and grill. I love the ovens at this level, it's so practical. It's a Spinflow Midi Prima eye-level and grill in a Country Leisure 4-burner gas hob. There was a pan cupboard above the oven there that you saw. On the other side is the sink, cupboard over. Stainless steel sink with a drainer. Good sized cupboard under here, and this one is squirreled away, the Candy Aquamatic 3.5 kilo washing machine. Great bits of kit those, I like those, I had one on my boat. The bathroom's just over 6 feet long. The loo is a Dometic Sealand vacuum flush cassette toilet. There's 2 spare cassettes on board. Excuse me. My cold still hasn't gone. Cupboard there. Bungs for the portholes. And a ceramic wash basin over a good sized cupboard. Cupboard above the wash basin as well, and a heated towel rail on the side. There's carpet through the boat with tiles here in the bathroom. And where is the shower, I can hear you asking? Well, it's just around this corner in here. Close the door, there's some bifold doors that come over the tiled shower unit. There's a light in there. So that's all very practically arranged in the bathroom. And the bedroom is next. There's a 6 foot 5 inch long, 4 feet 1 inch wide double berth. Storage under. Fit out's lovely on this boat actually, really like it. It's been really well looked after actually, the boat, and she's been in the same hands as the current owner for the last 13.5 years, so she's been really well loved. On either side of the steps we have a couple of wardrobes. Electrics are in here. There is a Victron Phoenix 1600 watt inverter and a Victron Phoenix battery charger. There's a galvanic isolator on board as well actually, it's worth noting. And there's storage under these steps as well that lead out into the semi-trad cockpit. Not mentioned the water tank actually, it's polypropylene, it's under the front decks there. There's a spare, a brand new water pump on board as well as a spare. There's a bench seat stroke locker on the port side of the semi-trad cockpit. With a random bit of wood there. She handles beautifully, this boat. I've been doing her for the drive-by and she's so quiet, super quiet. The sound insulation in here, and the engine itself is a Beta 43. Last serviced in July 2024. The battery bank's in here, 410 amp hour AGM domestics and 105 amp hour starter battery. It's nice and clean in there actually. We'll have another wander back through the boat. It's got a PRM 150 gearbox. Central heating on board is a Webasto diesel fired system. There's 3 radiators and a towel rail, and hot water on the boat is heated by the engine, the Webasto central heating. There is an immersion heater on board as well. 150 amp alternator to the domestic supply. All the lighting I think I mentioned is LED. And she's a really cosy boat, this one. I love her. I can see myself in her. She's got a whole host of navigation equipment, including a whirligig for drying your clothes that fits onto the front of the crash. So there we go. For further photos, fully downloadable colour brochure and the price, go to our website www.rugbyboats.co.uk.